Hey, what's up, Ninja Nerds? Come on in. Welcome to the Ninja Nerd headquarters. This is our crib, thanks to you, Ninja Nerds. So yeah, Ninja Nerds, because of you and all of you amazing supporters on Patreon, we're able to get this office. This is our central filming area. This is where we have our 3 12-foot whiteboards. This is where we do the whiteboard lectures. Over here, this is our new little area that we're going to be doing our physical exam, clinical skills. Really excited about this area. Can't wait to get to these videos. But yeah, check out the rest of the office, and Ninja Nerd, do me a favor. See what Rob and Kristen are up to.
Hi, Ninja Nerds.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to our office. This is where me and Kristen get all of our work done, and it's because of all of you. So thank you so much. We are so happy to be able to be doing this. Over here behind me, you'll see that we have our silver buttons here for 100,000 subscribers. Below that, Kristen is a huge Harry Potter fan, so she's got her little setup there. And then myself, I'm a pretty big Pirates of the Caribbean fan, so I got my black pearl here.
And over here is my setup. This is where I do all of my work and the drawings that you guys can see on Patreon and use to study from. Why don't you guys go check out Zach's office and see what memorabilia he has.
Hey, what's up, Ninja Nerds? Back for more. So yeah, this is pretty much my office. This is where I get a lot of the preparation, studying done to prepare for the videos to do on the whiteboard or in the physical exam area. Got all my literature, my textbooks, all my stuff that I use. Big office fan, as you guys can see. That Bears beats Battlestar Galactica. Love Dwight. Down there I got my nice little Michael. And then down there in the bottom I got my Dundies. But yeah, really awesome. And again, because of you, your support, I'm able to have this amazing office where I can prepare these lectures and do something to make a difference in the world. So thank you guys so much. But hey, I know that not only do I want to say thank you, but the rest of the Ninja Nerd team also wants to as well. So come out here with us.
Thank you so much, Ninja Nerds. This wouldn't happen without you guys. We're so grateful, and we truly just want to say thank you.
Guys, thank you so much. We are so happy coming here every day to do what we love. So thank you.
Yeah, Ninja Nerds, seriously, this is an amazing office. We love it so much. We're so thankful for all of your support that we're able to make a difference, not just in your lives, but also in our lives as well. We can use this place to make memories together as a team, as well as continue to make videos for people across the world, making a difference. So give yourselves a pat on the back because you did this. So thank you so much. We love you, we thank you, and as always, until next time.